My name is Gopalan. I am taking care of regional sales manager. So this is our brand called Cuisinary. So we are behalf of Symega food ingredient company. So we are basically into Horeca food solution provider actually. So we are into hotel, restaurant, catering. We do many 80 product range solution product. So in different category we do address the product. Seasoning, sauce, gravy, natural color, those kind of product we do supply that. We happy to provide the participate in this food expo. So to we do have a good opportunity to meet and many customers from the different vertical business people. So love to have a demonstration of our live cooking here and all the cooking product we are showcasing here. So people are from the different industry. They will be tasting here and they will get understand the product. So we are basically into 20 years from this industry. So that's about our company. So let me take you over some of the product from the range. Please have a look. Yeah, we feel better. We'll be very pleasure to participate here. So this platform will help us to brand visibility. So of course, people from across many industries are coming here. It is helping us to showcase our product and business improvement. The market is a wild market. Market size is very big. So definitely this platform will help us to build our business bigger. And newcomers, of course, they have to come and participate like this expo. So then only that brand will come up. So definitely, I would suggest such an event they have to participate for newcomers and all. Definitely, it will help us. Yeah. Thank you so much.